Discover the best IPTV provider. Contact Nancy from 2tv.store for unmatched streaming services. Curious? The link is in the description. Now, let's dive into enhancing Plex with IPTV. To add IPTV to Plex, first ensure you have a Plex media server set up on your device. It's the foundation required for integrating IPTV smoothly. Next, download an IPTV plugin compatible with Plex. This step might seem daunting, but with the right guide, it's straightforward and rewarding. Install the plugin into your Plex server's plugins folder. This step allows Plex to recognize and integrate your IPTV service efficiently for better performance. After installation, restart your Plex server to apply changes. Make sure everything is updated to ensure the IPTV channels run seamlessly within your media library. Congrats! Your IPTV is now integrated with Plex. Enjoy a seamless blend of traditional and digital streaming direct from one interface. Experience entertainment like never before.